Here I am in a different data set. This is for Pearson's R, and it's appropriate to conduct a Pearson's R if you have two continuous variables or two quantitative variables. So in this example, I have confidence, and this is the amount of confidence in deciding on a major. And the other variable that I'm going to use is age. So these are two variables that are continuous, and so they are appropriate for this test. You're going to go to regression, and I want you to go to correlation matrix. And you can see that it grays out first gen and gender because they're not continuous. We cannot use them for this analysis. So I'm going to take both of these, and you can move them one by one. You can drag and drop. You can use the arrows. If you have more than two variables, as I know a couple groups do, then you can do them all at the same time, and it's going to create this matrix for you. So I want you to have a couple of different things flagged or checked here. Definitely leave Pearson checked. That is the correlation coefficient that is appropriate when you have two continuous variables. And we're assuming that they are normally distributed. We're going to report significance here. You can also flag significant correlations. It just makes it a little bit easier sometimes, or you can leave it off. And then you can also add N, and which is our size of the sample. We can also add confidence intervals. I'm actually not going to, I'll have you leave the confidence intervals. And then the other thing that we want to do here is we want to state what our specific hypothesis was. So the idea here is that we are saying that we have a specific direction that we expected to find. That was our alternative hypothesis. So you should have a specific direction you anticipated, whether it was negative or positive. So I'm going to say that I expected to find that as people got older, they tended to be more confident. And so that would be positively correlated, or that rather people who are older tend to be higher in this confidence about their major. So you can see that I now have all of this information over here. And because this is, it does not give you the means and standard deviations for this, I do also want you to go ahead and go to exploration and descriptives. And you're just going to go ahead and move your variables for confidence and age over here. So your variables of interest. And we're just going to get the mean, the median, and the standard deviation to report in our results section. So there is the results for the Pearson's R. And then again, I'm just recommending that you go ahead and export this so that you can save it as a PDF.